This is a Yanmar F14D, four-wheel drive diesel. Has a brand new loader. It's a 4-foot bucket on it. Nice size tractor. This is good for cleaning out horse stalls and just doing everyday type of stuff. It's got low hours, only 657 hours. It's got a high and low, plus 3 gears. So it's got 6 forward gears, 2 reverse. Tires are pretty good shape. Been completely serviced. See the fuel filter there. New hydraulics. That bucket will lift up about 600 pounds or so if you have it weighed in the back. Nice little tractor. It's got a standard 3-point hitch. The PTO on it is a normal PTO shaft, so it'll fit. If you wanted to rent a post hole digger or something like that, it'll fit. This is a Yanmar. It's not a YNM. Yanmar F14D. I mean, this, what you see here is what you get. This hasn't been sent to Vietnam where they spray paint everything, the motor, the hoses, everything like that. This is actual Yanmar. It's gone through, been completely serviced. Like I said, it's got new loader on it. So all the hydraulics are new. Start it up. Take it out here. See, it doesn't blow smoke. See, it's nice and clean. Nice and clean. You can see the hoses haven't been painted, been well maintained. Great tractor. I have some box scrapers I didn't put together yet, but brand new box scrapers that'll fit these. So there it is. It's a Yanmar F14D, 3-cylinder diesel, 4-wheel drive. So if you want to see this tractor, any of the other tractors or implements we have, you can go to our website at ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.